Hey guys, we're back. We kind of took a little break. It's kind of vacation season, you understand. So what we've been doing is we've been doing cookouts and events. We've been having a lot of things come up. As you know, this is our side project where we do our cooking, display our cooking, and give people a little bit of advice on cooking tips. But we do have a business. So on our business side, we've been a little busy with that. But in this particular video, we did an event. I'm gonna not say event. Let me not say that because my wordplay. We have done some cooking for family. They wanted us to get together and throw them a little something and cook for the family on their necessarily little barbecue, whatever you want to call it. We did that, and this is just a video of that. Okay, so most of this video is going to be containing, what's the best way to explain? Okay, so the first item that's going to be in this video is going to be burgers. Beforehand, I didn't film this, but the burgers have been seasoned. I seasoned them and flipped them on both sides. Seasoned them, put the necessary ingredients on them before we put them on the grill. We did fried chicken. The fried chicken also isn't recorded. So most of this video, let me go ahead and tell you, it's not recorded. But it's going to show you the finished product of most of the food that we did. We did fried chicken, we did burgers, hamburgers, and we did macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is two types of cheese as well. It's like a same cheese but 2 layers of cheese. And this is going to basically show you what it looks like, how much we did of it. And it's a pretty quick, simple video. If you have any questions and comments, please leave them below. And if you have any other options or any type of things that you want us to do, continue to contact us like you have been. Thanks for the support. Today, cooking with T and P. We're grilling out. It's cookout season. As you see how it's coming on, I'm almost done my first batch. This is our pan. Got a good amount of people to feed today. This is the fried chicken. And we have 2 pounds of those, 2 pans, of those. And wings, legs, thighs, breast, all servings. There's a wing. And we got 2 of those. That's the second one sitting right beside it. Alright, this is the pan of macaroni and cheese we got. It's another one just like this in the oven. They're done, but the other one is just, we have no space to put it.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. Questions, comments in the description box or
inbox, welcome.
Down below. Make sure you subscribe,
yes.
like, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat.